Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you Ford F150 owners out there. We're going to talk about the RealTruck TruXedo TruXport soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. A top pick when it comes to roll-up tonneau covers for your F150. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. The RealTruck TruXedo TruXport is designed to be the ultimate roll-up truck bed cover for your Ford F150. It fits the 5'7" bed perfectly and is available in sleek black. Let's talk about some of the key features that make this tonneau cover stand out from the rest. First off, this tonneau cover is unbelievably functional. It's designed to be incredibly easy to use. You just unlock the tailgate latches and roll up the cover. It's engineered with a heavy-duty 1.5-inch frame and equipped with high-quality leather embossed vinyl. When it comes to protecting your cargo, the TruXport has got your back. It keeps your cargo dry and secure in all weather conditions. The preset tarp tension keeps the cover tight and water out, and its support bows even allow it to withstand several inches of snow when closed. You can fully install this roll-up truck bed cover in under 30 minutes. No drilling or special tools necessary. Just clamp the rails onto your truck bed, attach the cover, roll, and go. And here's the cherry on top. The TruXport is backed by a 5-year, no-hassle warranty. That's peace of mind right there. If you ever need replacement parts, their team is just a call away. Now, that's a ton of impressive features packed into one roll-up tonneau cover. But wait, there's more. Before we wrap it up, here are a couple more things to keep in mind. This product is designed for use in the US, so if you're watching from outside the US, make sure to check compatibility with your vehicle. Now, you might have noticed that this product is currently temporarily out of stock on Amazon. But don't worry, they're working hard to get it back in stock as soon as possible. So, keep an eye out for it. And if you want to enhance your truck bed experience, you can also consider adding some accessories like the Husky Liners Weather Beater or ShadeMax Stake Pocket Covers. These can complement your TruXport cover perfectly. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Let's take a quick look at what some customers are saying about the TruXedo TruXport. Customers love the ease of installation, quality, value, fit, and appearance of this tonneau cover. It's not overly difficult to install, and it holds up perfectly during road trips and various weather conditions. Many are satisfied with its water resistance and sleek appearance. However, we should mention that some customers have mixed opinions on the ease of opening and stability, so it might be worth considering if those factors are essential for you. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on our review of the RealTruck TruXedo TruXport soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. It's a fantastic option for Ford F150 owners looking to protect their cargo and add a touch of style to their truck. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.